Indian curries are loved for their complex and layered flavours. Try serving up your Indian curries with these 3 sides. First, we have a yogurt raita. This creamy blend of yogurt, mint and coriander with a little sugar and garam masala is a staple in Indian cooking. Its tangy flavour provides a refreshing counterbalance to the curry's heat, cooling the palate with every bite. Next is an Indian mint sauce. A vibrant green side made by blitzing fresh mint and coriander with cumin, garam masala, sugar, lemon juice and a little bit of water until smooth. Stir this mint sauce into yogurt until it's combined. It brings a burst of freshness to your Indian feast. Finally, try this tomato and coriander salad. It's simple but flavourful. First, toast black mustard seeds in a frying pan. Combine chopped tomatoes, white onion and fresh coriander in a bowl. Pour over lime juice and drizzle with sugar. Finally, add those toasted mustard seeds. This zingy salad makes a great side dish that complements rich Indian curries.